New lead campaigns. Let's talk about it. Every time someone raises their hand and says, "Hey, Will, I think I need insurance," or "Hey, Will, can I get a quote? I feel like I need to figure this out." That's a lead. They've not closed yet. They're not a client. They are a lead. And there's different types of leads. There's hot leads, people who are ready to take action. They are just itching. Just let me move forward. I want to go. I want to get this dealt with. There are also warm leads, people who they maybe have a few questions. They need a little bit of clarity, but they're moving. They're ready. And then there are cold leads, people who they know they need to deal with it, but it's not maybe urgent and they'll figure it out. You've got their contact information, but maybe you can't even get them on an appointment right away. Maybe you can. We're going to cover a new lead campaign that is one of the best ways to take warm and hot leads especially and rope them into a next step, which should always, in most cases, be a call to action. Let's get on a call. So inside of every Agent CRM account, you have access through branding bundles to these high conversion campaigns. 2.0, your product, new lead campaign. Now I'm going to go through the life insurance, but if you're Medicare, ACA, final expense, it's going to look exactly the same structure to this. But let's just backtrack for a second. Some of you who are watching this video, maybe you're curious about Agent CRM, so I'll just give a brief spiel. Automations and assets for agents to manage your business. Inside of every account, click and play assets. That's where you import the bundle, the all-in-one, out-of-the-box ready website, emails, etc. So you're going to go into click and play assets. You're going to find the bundle of your product. You're going to import it. As you can see, we're releasing new ones all the time. So likely the next time you come to the click and play section, you're going to see additional ones that are out there. You click import. Those assets come into your account. Usually it takes about a minute or two. You're going to see a nice organized folder, branding bundle. You're going to go in there and you're going to see all of these beautifully arranged and aligned assets. Now this video specifically covers 2.0 new lead, but please know that a lead should be connected in the lead gen section first. Lead from Facebook form or lead vendor. You're going to connect it there, some administrative things happen, and then it's going to punch them into the next sequence, which is new lead campaign itself. Now let's dive in there together. New lead campaign, what happens here? There are going to be some essential actions and there are going to be some bonus actions. We've designed assets for you. If you have Agent AI connected Google Analytics, you're going to see that it's going to automatically add them. It is in draft mode, those other ones, and I'll go to them in a minute. But let's actually review the main actions that take place so you can understand what is happening inside of Agent CRM to help convert your leads to taking action. The very first thing that we're doing, we're just leaving a note. This is super important, the note feature inside of Agent CRM. Every contact profile, you're looking at Joey and you can click notes. You can see the whole history of his interactions. So this helps us to administrate. You should be doing the same thing for selling policies, etc. But automatically, the system will log what's been taking place. Joey just came in to a new campaign. We're going to move him into a pipeline. So there is a pipeline feature, it's stages, and it shows Joey is in the nurturing stage. He hasn't done anything yet. He's just getting some emails. Email 1, your new lead campaign. Let's check out just a brief review here. Harry's Insurance is the brand we're using as an example here. His colors, fully customized using the Agent CRM customizer. Check out that video on YouTube. But thanks for reaching out for information about life insurance plans. I'm Will Winter, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to assist you in finding the best life insurance plan that suits your needs. So language like this that says, "Hey, I see you. Thanks for expressing interest. I'm your guy. Let's get on a calendar." That's probably the next step. Schedule a call with me here. A really big, obvious call to action. Can't wait to help you take this important step towards peace of mind regarding your life insurance needs. Best regards, and then your calendar signature will automatically, your user signature will automatically fill in to that section. So every email, it looks similar, kind of same call to action. We're really saying, yo, you've only got one step to do. Get a calendar appointment. We'll figure it all out as we go, but get on a calendar appointment. That's how you move forward after you're expressing interest. We send them a text message. Hey, Joey, this is Will, and it will automatically fill. You don't need to change those pieces of code there. That's called a custom value. It draws from another place and fills that in. Here's my calendar link. Look forward to speaking with you. Wait 2 days. Email 2. If they have not booked, we want to keep messaging them. They're warm or hot. Hopefully they filled in a form. So we want to say, hey, maybe you got busy, but here's still the next step. Calendar, 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 calendar. It's at a pace that doesn't feel like it's too much. It's not harassing them every half hour. It's 2-day wait. You can fully customize this in each individual action. But this is what we've seen success with. 2-day wait, email and text. 2-day wait, text. 2-day wait, email, text. 2-day wait, text. And you'll see all of the calls to action. Hey, it's been a week since you requested info on life insurance. Let's schedule a call ASAP. Here's my calendar link. So we are watching them. Email 4. Not too late. Hey, it only takes a few minutes. Got some flexible options. So it's slightly different words, but we're really hammering in. You just filled in a form. Let's get you on a calendar. Wait 16 days, and then we give them a little bit more of a ultimatum, like, yo, I can get rid of your information. It's in my account. Do you want to move forward or not? Here's a consultation link. And then after 30 days, we move them to a long-term nurturing sequence. So let's check that out here. Move to nurture sequence. That's what's taking place. So we've got another campaign. I'll cover that briefly in this video as well. But the point is new lead and 2.0 and 2.5. That's like the really quick new leads is rapid fire. And then lead nurture. It's like, okay, dude, you're probably a cold lead by now, maybe warm, but we're just going to let you get nurtured by this long-term campaign in the background. It's not going to have text, and it's going to be once a month email, just so they have something in their inbox that says, you likely didn't take action right away. So here's just some, keep me on your radar type emails. Leaves a note again. But that is one of the key assets that we have for our nurturing campaigns is you're spending a lot of money on leads probably, or you've got a really great organic campaign, but every lead has a value. And if you're not maximizing the value through automated reminders and nurturing sequences, you are missing out on conversions. That lead is cooling down. It's like a car being driven off the lot. As soon as a car is driven off the lot, it decreases in value dramatically. So we want to make sure that we're really nurturing and pushing those leads. Here is your next step. I'm here for you. I'm your guy. I want to consult and help you get the best plan possible. That's what's included in the 2.0 new lead. And also I briefly reviewed the 2.5 lead nurturing sequence. Now, the last thing I'll show on this video here, you'll notice I'm in the automation section inside of Agent CRM. If I go over to marketing, email templates, this is where the emails live. They are connected inside of an automation, but they live here in this folder. Everything is perfectly aligned so you can find your way around. If I want to look inside of the email builder or the automations, you'll be able to come here, but check this out. If I go into the 2.5 lead nurturing, I can see every single email in one place. So let's just check on email 2 as an example. If you want to see what it looks like, always hit the 3 dots and then preview. So there's the logo. That's what it looks like. Schedule a call. So great nurturing content for long-term or rapid fire for new leads. That's the purple 2.0. But definitely this is one of the key ingredients for scaling through automation. And one of the lowest hanging fruit is taking your fresh hot leads, moving them to action as quickly as possible through a timed and very strategically connected new lead campaign. This is Will Winter, Operations Manager at Agent CRM. If you are not currently a user, we would love to have you. Check us out at agent-crm.com. You can try a 14-day free trial, explore those assets for yourself, and see how easy it is to customize using the Agent CRM customizer. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.